What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm about to take you on a real-life service call. I got dispatched as a Lennox steam system, no heat. Huh? Doesn't Lennox make furnaces? Steam boiler? You're not going to believe it. Check out this video.
Hey, how are you guys?
How are you, sir?
Hey, good. I got the boiler down here.
Okay.
Lennox. We got it installed like 3 years ago. It's not like coming on when I put the switch on.
Oh, you have no heat?
Yeah, I put the thermostat up.
I was set here for maintenance.
Maintenance? No,
Maintenance on a...
it's a Lennox over here.
It's a Lennox.
Yeah. No.
We had the wrong job? No, this was... That's you. Peter, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
No, so it just said that. Okay, let's see what you got. It does say that. Okay. So what's it doing? What's it not doing? Not working?
Yeah, my dad said when we throw it on and the gas is on, and I put the thermostat up over it, I don't hear it, the pellet light's not coming on, the burners.
Okay.
And we just got installed, I think 3 years ago, I think, it's fairly new.
Yeah, it's fairly new.
I don't know, there's
Okay.
no thermocoupler, there's no air filter on it when I reviewed it, because I had an old wheel McLean 30
Steam
years
boiler?
ago,
Yeah.
and then they removed it, put this new one in.
Okay. Have you reached out to the installing contractor, or you just?
No, I saw you guys online, and
Okay.
you guys look like really good. So
Okay, thank you. Appreciate it.
yeah,
Okay, let's see the thermostat then. Let's start there, and you know the power's off to the boiler, right?
yeah.
Okay.
I flipped it on, and the gas is on. You know,
Yeah.
don't hold me to I'm not a boiler guy, but
Okay, let's go see the thermostat.
yeah, sure.
W R. Hopefully it's good. We'll turn power on, and our water level is...
Yeah, it was kind of cruddy in there.
I have no idea where the water level is. No, water level's right there. Those are both open. This is going to be thermostat connection. So if we were to eliminate the thermostat from the equation, and I twist these two together, and nothing's happening. Okay. So, Carlos, would you mind going to the truck and getting the tool bag? We have to do some diagnosing. So, we did this to bypass thermostat and thermostat wiring to see if maybe there's a thermostat issue. But nothing happened by doing that. So now we're going to check voltage. Now, I already checked. There's no switch on top of the basement stairs. They're saying all the breakers are on. So, we'll take their word for it. Transformer. We should have 24 volts here. We have no voltage here. There's no voltage. So there's no voltage to there. So let's get a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, so now, I wonder if we have voltage here. I'll take a non-contact tester. Ooh, we have voltage here. At least it says there's voltage there. So we'll put this back on there. Let's go from here to there. And we have 117 volts. We have power there, right? But we don't have power there. We have these two down here. Looks like it's going to this low water cutoff. These two go there, and this goes there. Transformers normally die for a reason. Keep that in mind. All right, new transformers in place. And we are bypassing the vent damper with the orange that went to the pressure troll and the black that goes to the yellow. The safety circuit is still in place. All right, so if we turn power on and there's a call for heat,
This up here?
No, but the thermostat is still on. At least we think the thermostat is still on. Oh, yeah. Connect the black. No, let's connect these. Yeah, there it is. I hear it.
Voila.
And voila. Houston, we have ignition. Bad vent damper. Took out the transformer that was there. And now we just have this rig there. But it works. So if we disconnect the pressure troll, right, the boiler turns off. Reconnect it. We'll have the call for heat. If we remove, we can duplicate a low water condition. And it should turn off. And wait for it. There it goes. So low water condition turns off the boiler. Pressure turns off the boiler. And we didn't touch that safety. So we just need a new automatic vent damper. Process of elimination. Sure enough, it's a Lennox steam boiler. And I don't know who wired it, but I think it was Ray Charles or Helen Keller. What do you think? Let me get your thoughts and feedback in the comments section down below. And if you live in the Long Island, New York metropolitan area and you're tired of getting bamboozled by your HVAC contractor, pick up the phone, give me a call, 516-348-6300, or save time at pipedoc.net. Catch you in the next one. Be well, God bless, stay safe.